Okay, guys, so she has this nice little, it's kind of Haiti vibes. Okay. I feel like I'm in the islands with you. Okay, so we are cooking what today?
Today we are making, that's the request we've been having from our YouTube channel.
Okay,
so I'm making some red beans and rice and some griot.
Okay.
And Pikliz.
So.
And we fry plantains.
Okay, and then the meal in our language is called?
Diri avec Pwa Wouj. Avec griot cochon.
Okay.
Avec Bannann Peze.
Okay.
And avec Pikliz.
Okay.
So Punyala.
So right now
I'm getting my spicy ready.
Okay, so you're getting the spices ready and
because I make my own spicy.
Okay, honey.
I make my own spicy with garlic. And now, what I'm doing right now, I'm peeling the garlic, remove the skin. Okay, that's what I'm doing right now. And then I'm going to add some green onions.
Okay.
This is the green onions right here. I'm going to add some fresh parsley. I'm going to show you now. Some fresh parsley, fresh.
Okay.
Very fresh.
Okay.
Because I believe in fresh.
Okay.
And I use my red onion for some reason in my spicy, give it a little taste. And then I'm going to add a little fresh thyme.
Okay.
Fresh thyme. I'm going to put some red pepper. Green pepper.
Okay.
And then after I'm finished, cut everything, all the ingredients, mix everything. That's my little blender right here, my little mix.
So that's like the old, like that's actually how it'll look when it's done. So you're just like redoing it.
Yes, I'm done doing it. But when I blend everything together, that's how it will look.
Okay.
And then it's fresh and it smells good.
Okay.
I don't use the spicy from the store. I don't know how long they've been sitting in there. So I make everything fresh.
Okay, let's go.
Mash it, you cut it right here like this, and then you cut it. I'm going to put some parsley. I'm going to wash my parsley right here. Okay. Right here. Okay, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add it to my little mixer. Where is my mixer? Where you put it?
Do you know what that's called? What blender that is? We'll figure it out.
Ninja.
Ninja? That is not a ninja, but it's okay.
Well, that's ninja. I'm calling it my little blender.
Okay.
This is the
garlic.
This is the fresh garlic.
Okay.
It smells so good.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm peeling my garlic. Okay. I'm peeling my garlic. Take all the skin right here, and then now this is red onion. I'm about to cut the onion. I mean half. Peel in the onions, take out the skin. Then I cut it in small pieces. Chop, chop, chop.
Careful. Ew, this looks so scary.
And then you add it to this one.
So far there is
green onions, is the green onions,
parsley,
and this is the garlic right here.
Garlic and the onions.
Onion.
And you just put them full in there like that.
Yes. This is my red pepper. I like to add the red pepper to it to give it a little taste. I use 2 of them.
Okay.
And then I'm washing it really good. Okay, so now I finish washing it. I'm going to put everything in here. Chop, chop, chop.
Chop, chop, chop. If you guys are enjoying this, right, chop, chop, chop.
Chop, chop,
in
chop.
the comments.
Chop, chop, chop. So if you got spicy, you got a good spicy. If you don't put no right spicy and the food don't taste good, you know. I believe in that, and that's why I make my food taste good. I make my own spicy.
Okay, honey.
Okay, so I'm going to add it to it now.
Wow, it's so colorful.
Yep. When it's too full, what I do, I mix this first. Okay.
You blend it first?
No, because this one is full. So after I'm finished everything, I blend the rest of the things and then I mix it all together. Okay. Cover it right here.
I think this is like a ninja bullet, guys.
Okay. I believe in my ninja bullet. One boom, boom, boom.
Mommy, ninja bullet.
Ninja bullet. Okay, now. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to open it, put the rest of the thing. I'm going to add the green onion to it.
Okay.
Right here. So, and that's what you're going to use
for
when you're making your own food, when you're getting married.
Oh.
Because you're not going to be here with me all the time.
True.
So, you have to learn now. And then one more thing I'm going to add to it, that the fresh thyme. Fresh, smells so good. Look at that. Fresh thyme.
Okay, hold on, let me zoom in.
I don't use anything from the store already made. I make my own thing fresh.
Okay.
Make the food smell good.
Okay.
Okay. I'm going to wash it. Okay. And then I'm adding to it. And then one more thing. People think I'm crazy. I'm not crazy. That's what makes my food taste good.
What?
It's this one, you call it cloves.
Oh my God, that is the worst thing.
Some people they let it boil in the food, but me, what I do, I mix my cloves with my spicy.
So we don't have to bite into it, cause woo!
No.
Write down if you've ever had an experience biting into this thing. Not
Okay.
fun, not fun,
So
man.
now I'm mixing everything. Yay! So my spicy is ready now. You see? You see how it come out? You see?
Okay.
Smells so good, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So now my spicy is ready.
And the spices for what?
My spicy is for me to seasoning my meat.
Okay.
I usually seasoning my meat the night before. But
Okay.
I didn't know if I was going to cook. So we guys have to bear with me. So everything is done today. I'm going to seasoning the meat.
Okay. You know, there's this thing going around the internet that people just eat their meat by, you know, washing it with water and then that's it.
Nope. So now, what I'm going
Nope.
to do, I'm going to boil my water. What I'm going to do with that hot water after I finish boil, I'm going to steam my meat with the hot water. You know, it will clean it good and will remove all the grease.
Couldn't you just boil it in a pot?
No, I can boil it in the pot, but if you don't want to, you can just do it this way.
You got both of them.
You know?
So, mommy, what meat do they go and buy at the store?
You have to go to the store and you buy pork, you know, fresh pork. And then when you buying it to make the griot, you tell them to cut it for you, and not too big, not too small, you know. So they cut it for me now. I'm watching it with lemon,
Lime.
with lime. Some people they just wash the meat with water, but not me. In our country we use lemon,
Lime.
or we use something called zoransu.
Okay.
And I think in Spanish they call it naranja,
Okay.
bitter naranja. Okay, so what you do, you wash it in good with the lemon.
Ah, you lost the soldier. So you're squeezing the lemon juice while you're washing it?
Yes, that's what I'm doing right now. And I don't use no cold water. It's hot water. Because grease, the pork have a lot of grease. The more you use the hot water, the more the grease will go away. The reason I use the big bowl, got a lot of space. When I put the seasoning can go inside the meat real good. Okay? And then what I do now, I'm squeezing some lemon juice. Okay? I do it my old-fashioned way. I go like this.
So your hand is catching the seeds.
That's what it is.
That's what it is.
When I'm finished, wash the meat with the hot water. I'm going to pour the lemon juice to it. Okay.
It's not too hot.
Get used to it. Okay, and then I'll turn it around it good. And then I'll pour it. So what the hot water do is disinfect the meat and remove the fat. You know? So make sure you pour all the water. Either you boil the water in the pot, or some people they put the meat in the pot and they boil it. You can either do it that way, or you boil the water and pour it to it. That's what it is. And then now my meat is finished clean right now, so I'm ready to seasoning my meat. Okay, so now I pour the lemon juice. Okay. And then now I'm about to put the seasoning in it. Okay, this is the seasoning. And then now I'll put 3 teaspoons in it. Okay, and
what is this?
This is my salt. Spicy, mixed spicy. This is the salt I use, sea salt.
So a spoonful of salt.
Yes, it's enough because I don't like to put too much salt in my thing. And then one more thing I use, that's the only thing I use beside my spicy. I like to add a little turmeric to it.
Is that like something that every Haitian does, or just you?
No, not. It's organic turmeric. The turmeric is, I put it in everything because it's really good for your health. So I'm going to sprinkle a little bit to it right here. Okay, and beside that, I add a little cayenne pepper to it. Just give it a little taste spicy.
It's a lot of spices.
And then that's it. Now I'm going to mix everything. Now I'm seasoning my meat real good.
So satisfying.
You see?
So you're just gonna keep it there for 15 minutes.
For 15 minutes. I
usually
do it the night before.
And you would just cover it up with that and then put it in the fridge.
I don't put it in the fridge.
No, if it was the night before.
If it was the night before, I put it in the fridge. For the seasoning go deep to it.
Alright.
I forget to do.
I was about to say. I was looking for it.
But they call
hello, where are you, Maggie? What's this?
This is Caldo de pollo. Okay? That's the same thing like Maggie. Okay? So when I season in it, I always add 1 to...
Show them. Okay.
They have the one with the beef, but the one with the pollo tastes better.
Okay.
Okay? So you just work it like this. You give it a taste. It's over now.
So for the beans that have been cooking already before I even came home, she couldn't wait to do it since it takes a long time, right?
Yes.
So this is the one. Hold on.
This is the bean.
Okay, that's the one. And then let me just see how it looks on the packet. So y'all know it's this one.
Okay, so what I do, I put some water in the pot, and then I wash my beans, and I just cover it. That's all it is.
That's it. Yes. And then how long do you think it takes to cook?
When you cover it with medium 40, it don't take a long time. But for some reason, this one, it been take forever. So I give it another 20 minutes. You have to cover it real good.
Okay. You're making what?
Pikliz.
Okay, what is that?
Pikliz, you're making it with cabbage.
I can probably just translate for you. Go ahead and speak in Creole for the most part. So this is cabbage in English?
Yes. And then I'm going to... You cannot...
So you can't do this without having peppers.
It's really hot right here.
So yeah, this part is just to make the food like really hot.
Yes.
Like spicy.
Pikliz.
Yeah.
We call it pikliz. Okay,
honey. She washes it really good.
Okay,
really
so now
hey. She shakes it real good. Take the water out of it. What's in there? Carrots. So you have cabbage and carrots.
Cabbage and carrots. Okay, now I'm sliding it real thin. Okay.
Real thin.
You see. Some people they make it big, but you're not supposed to. That's how you make it. Okay. Let's put it in there. Let's put the pikliz. Okay, what I'm adding to it. One thing I supposed to put in it, I supposed to put a little bit of radish.
But you don't have it?
I don't have the radish, but they will remember that. Since I don't have a little bit of radish, so I'm going to put a little sliced onion.
Yeah, it definitely is supposed to have radish.
Yes, so I don't have the radish.
Careful. But if you had a radish, would you still put this in there? No.
I will still put it in it. You know what I mean? So what I'm done, I'm adding to it. The red onion give it a little taste. Okay. Nice color. One thing I don't like to do, but I don't have no choice. You cannot do pikliz without it. But wish me luck, I don't put it in my eyes.
What don't you like?
Red pepper. No, not red pepper. Hot pepper.
Okay.
This is the one you use for pikliz.
Okay.
Okay. Nan pays moi yo releli piment bouc.
Okay.
On commence à tousser peut-être ça. Okay. So what I do, you cut it real thin. It's really hard. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay. So now I'm finished cutting all my ingredient for the pikliz. Like I say, something missing is the radish. Okay. The radish is missing, but we'll remember to put it. So now I'm going to put two things. That's how I do my thing, my pikliz. Some people they use only vinegar, but me, I use both. I use the apple cider vinegar right here, and then I use lime juice. So what I do right now, this is a good one. You got a lot of juice.
I would never know stuff like that. I'm like, okay, the juice is coming out. Beginner 101.
Okay. So this is the fresh lime juice. So I'm going to pour into it. Okay, now I'm adding some apple cider.
Do people always use apple cider vinegar, or is it usually just regular vinegar?
Well, when you use apple cider, it's better. And I use the organic one.
Weight loss activated.
Okay.
But you guys can use regular vinegar, obviously.
What I'm going to do right now, I'm going to put little salt. Okay. And then ground pepper right here.
Okay.
Smells so good. I'm going to taste it right now to see if we have enough salt. Okay. My Pikliz, voila.
Okay. So then what do you do with it? That's it?
I'm going to cover it.
Okay.
I'm going to cover it. If I was going to use it the next day, I was going to put it in the refrigerator. Since I'm using it today, I'm cover it and then let it stay there.
I feel like every Haitian has this pot.
It's a good one.
Let me know if I'm tripping or not, but I feel like all my aunts have this pot.
It's an old-fashioned one, but
where you buy it at?
It is good. Somebody gave this to me a long time ago, but it's good.
You sounded real hurt by that. Somebody gave it to me a long time ago.
Yes. Now my pot is hot. I'm pouring some oil. Some people, they don't put oil, but me, I saute it in oil.
Why don't they put oil?
I don't know. Some people, they cook different.
The oil's hot, okay. So how long are you gonna cover that for?
This is pork. Pork's supposed to be real cooked, because if you want to cook the pork good, it can make you sick.
Okay.
So I'm going to cook it for a good 30 minutes.
Okay.
A good 30 minutes. The reason I'm cooking for only 30 minutes because I'm going to fry. Because when you fry it, it's going to cook again.
Oh, okay.
Okay, good 30 minutes. Extra taste pour le faire bien plus bon goût. You take a branch, little bit of branch of thyme, fresh thyme, and you just pour it to it. On va faire Diri avec Pwa Wouj.
Okay, she's gonna make a rice with red beans.
Ok, so kounya la moi mette chaudière sous du feu, chaudière bien chaud. So kounya la moi mette l'huile dans chaudière.
Oil in the pot.
Yes. Now since the oil is hot, l'huile la chaud, autant l'huile la bien chaud. So kounya l'huile la chaud, kounya mette épices là là-dedans. Comment pas faire un peu de Diri, m'a mettre des cuillères.
So since she's not making a lot of rice, she's gonna put 2 spoons.
Okay.
And she said wait till the oil is really hot.
Mettez 3.
She said okay, I'll do 3. And it hurt me.
Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I mix everything together. Mix it together. Pour celle-là qui a bien pénétré la manger, moi pas juste mettre là-dedans Diri, moi frit celle-là tout ensemble avec épices. Okay.
That smells so good. Excuse me, what's that? What is that? Please, mommy, please. Wow. Ooh, guys, this is like the worst. Jesus. Oh my God.
Okay.
How many you put in there?
I put like 7.
Okay, so you're going to find the 7 to take out.
Yes, yes.
Oh my God.
Bien free.
That thing is the worst. How many, man, you guys, comment down below how many times you bit into one of these. My goodness. Save me. So how long would you say that took for you to make? Like to boil it?
Diri,
the beans.
Oh, the beans take me a good like 45 minutes. Okay, so now, épices là fin frit, so kounya la m'va l'ajouter pois là-dedans. Okay,
put that
on
in
va tirer de l'eau dans pois.
Okay, took out the beans. Took out the water. And pouring this in there.
Okay, you mix it together. Keep it free.
Okay, so you're putting Maggie again?
I'm putting one, not again. This is the first time.
Mommy, the second time that you made food today. You put it once in the meat.
One in the meat.
That's again. That's again. Look at you.
Right.
Relax yourself.
Okay, I am relaxed.
Okay.
Okay.
Not
so
again.
What I do.
Okay.
And then I mix it together.
Okay.
I fry all my stuff.
Okay.
To give it more taste.
Okay.
Fry my beans with my spicy. For 2 minutes.
Covering it for 2 minutes.
2 minutes. L'huile d'olive là. Moi toujours mettre un petit beurre là-dedans.
Okay.
Okay. I'm going to put half spoon. Okay. Ça que fait mettre là-dedans, il fait du rien paraître léger. Moi toujours mettre le fruit dans pour avec lui et puis fini. L'extérieur a tout fait, moi mettre un petit beurre sur tête du riz pour ça faire du riz molasse. Pour pas paraître trop dry. Ok, so pour un fin fruit qu'on y a bien frit, je vais me la donner. So qu'on y a là, on va ajouter de l'eau cuite poire. De l'eau poire. C'est lui-même qui va faire du riz.
So the bean water.
Yes, c'est
water
qui
from
va
the
faire
beans.
du riz qui est couleur rouge là.
Oh, okay. So she said this is the water is what's going to make the rice have the color red. Correct?
Okay, yes. So everything.
I didn't know that.
Oh yes. Des gens qui use du riz blanc, les a fait du riz collé avec quoi. Moi-même, moi use du riz jaune.
Okay.
Ok, parce que laisser du riz collé à pour faire ou faire du riz ou utiliser du riz jaune, il est plus bon.
Okay. She said some people use white rice. She used yellow rice because it has a better taste.
So I'm going to measure my rice.
Well, that's old school. Literally with a cup. Alright, so she did 2.5.
2.5. So. And then now I'm about to wash my rice. Good. Take it lower.
She's gonna wash it twice. How many times? Twice or 3 times?
Well, I think I'm about to wash this one like 3 times because it's still a little bit
cloudy.
The water is not clear.
So wash it basically until it's clear.
Yes.
Okay.
You have to wash your rice. Make sure the rice is nice and clean.
Clean.
Okay, so avant d'ajouter du riz, make sure pour de l'eau du riz à bouillir. Parce que si vous pas quitter de l'eau à bouillir, du riz apparaît frais,
Okay.
frais.
So you need to wait for this to boil.
To boil, yes.
All right. So she said, don't put the rice in here yet until it's boiled.
Moi, je n'ai pas de piment là, so pour le bal goût, moi mettez piment rouge là bouilli là-dedans.
Red pepper.
OK. So qu'on y a là et l'eau a été bouilli. L'eau a bouilli bien bouilli. So qu'on y a moi-même moi pas ajouter du riz
So
là-dedans.
now she's gonna put the rice in the water.
I mix it together now. Okay? I mix it together. Et puis quitter la bouillie.
For how long?
Until the water is dry. Pour fin sèche, qu'on y a ça faire ou descendre du fer, ou mettez sous l'eau.
Okay.
Chaque fois mettez sous l'eau pour du riz pas fait trop gratin.
Okay, so once all the water is drained from the top of the rice, you're just gonna want to lower your fire.
Yes.
Like how long has this been cooking?
Probably another 20 minutes.
So in total, how long does it take to get the rice like this?
45 minutes.
Okay.
On y a retirer terre, mettez la côté.
Okay, so she's putting the thyme aside.
This sauce right here
Yeah, that looks
about
good.
to be the sauce for the rice.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
We got everything in it.
That looks really good. Okay, so you have to fry the meat. That's the last step, right?
Yeah.
Griot basically is fried pork, right?
That's what it is.
Okay.
Okay, you put enough. Okay, and you put the
How much oil is that? Sorry, let me just see. So like that much.
Yes.
Okay.
It will be enough. But you wait for it when it's really hot. By the time I'm waiting for it, I'm going to get the plantain, get the plantain ready right now. Some people they like the sweet one.
Like Cammy.
The hard one. This is the hard one. Okay, so you put the end. And then you cut it like this. You can either make it big or small, but I like to put mine like medium. You cut it like this.
On a diagonal.
Yes. Okay, this is the sweet one, very sweet, very soft.
Wait, what was the other one?
This is the green one.
So,
sweet one.
So you're mixing it?
Yes.
Okay,
put
salt.
a little salt, not too much. Just to give it a little taste. And then you just mix the salt in it.
She put a little water on the plate.
I'm frying the plantain right now. My free banana.
For how long?
Until it turn brown. You keep turning it over and over every 5 minutes, okay? You know, you have to turn brown, golden brown.
So you can tell there's two different ones in here.
Yeah, you see? The soft one is about to be turn yellow soon.
Mm-hmm. This is the one that Cam likes.
Much.
You're gonna smash? Okay.
Was she white?
Yeah.
Not frying it.
I have no idea.
Okay, you died down like that?
I don't know.
You see? That's how it come out after you smash it. If I want to do it in another way, I can do it like this. If you want it to be flat, like this. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
You make it, I like mine very crispy. Okay.
How long was that?
Oh,
And this is basically just, you know, looking at it.
10 minutes. You see? It's supposed to be brown like this.
Not too brown, just a little crisp.
Yellow crispy.
I'm sure you, I mean, do it how you like, but.
Yeah, I'm making my griot now. So I make sure I remove all the water. I join the water.
Oh my
When
God.
you make it, if you don't stay close, you don't stay close by the stove because you don't want the grease to go in your face. The parsley would just like you. Pastel pepper because I it's just like soap. Because I can show people.
The hotter the oil is, the better it is, but stay away from the stove.
Yes.
How long do you leave it in there?
You leave it on there until it turn brown.
Okay.
Okay? Oh, the sauce.
Yeah, that looks good.
So the sauce of the meat, we can use it for the rice. You can use it for the sauce to put in the plantain too. Make sure vous cuite viande bien cuite. Parce que si vous pas cuite, la forme malade. Parce que c'est viande cochon. Un cochon supposé bien cuite.
Make sure you cook the meat very, very well. If you don't, you're going to get sick.
Yes.
Because it's the meat of the pig and it should be cooked very, very well.
Very good. You know, mine is very tender.
So again, while it's boiling here in this one pot that you had it in here first, it should be cooking for what time? How much would you recommend?
15-20 minutes.
15-20 minutes.
Yeah. You see, it's about 10
Oh, okay. Yeah.
You can see the difference.
Yeah.
You see that? You turn it from one side to another side. You see that? Yes. Bon bagay. Manger la caille, manger paysan moi. Oh yes.
You guys that don't understand, she's basically saying this is the food of her country.
Yes. Les manger la caille, moi me sentir bien manger. Right, Kim? When we eat our country food, we feel like we're eating, right?
That's food.
Yes. Right,
Kim, you got anything to say?
True.
Oh yes.
What do I have to say?
Yeah.
Best food ever.
Which one? Haitian food or Nigerian food? Oh!
You know.
We don't know.
Nigerian food for sure.
Excuse me? Relax yourself.
Tout les bon.
Exactly. She said both are good. So what'd you say?
When the griot is ready, that's how it's supposed to look.
Okay.
Nice and golden
Wow,
brown.
it's literally sizzling
Yes.
to perfection.
Bien là-bas. Bon bagay. Allez, à l'avant. Look good. That's the color it's supposed to be. Some people they make it like white, but I like my brown.
So just drain everything out?
Yes. Okay. Voila.
And there we have it. How good does that look? Wow. Sauce?
Put a little sauce on top of the rice.
This is the sauce from
the meat.
Griot. We made red beans and rice today.
And this is the
Plantains and Pikliz. And definitely top it off with your favorite drink, whatever you guys prefer. Got this one and this one. Let us know what language you would prefer to see this in down below. And then also let us know what you would like her to cook next. Okay? And she made this because Cam's leaving, so she's giving him his last meal. What do you have to say to my mom?
What do you mean last meal?
You know what I mean?
I'm not giving him last meal. He's coming back.
Of course.
Last meal. Enjoy it, son, okay?
No, thank you very much.
You're welcome.